Hey guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to make this flare blouse, this circular flare blouse. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome, and to my subscribers, thank you so much. Without further ado, let's start the tutorial. For this tutorial, I will be using 2 yards of Ankara fabric. I will be using my scissors, pen, chalk and my long ruler. The first step is to fold the clothes into two. I'm going to measure 34 inches for the length and 34 inches for the breadth. Folding it into two means I'm cutting both the front and the back. Pick one edge of the fabric and fold it to the other side. Draw a shoulder line to accommodate your shoulder measurement. Then on the line, you are going to measure your shoulder measurement divided by 2. For this blouse, the shoulder measurement is 14 divided by 2 is 7 inches. Measure the length of your armhole from that 7 inches. Then draw out the armhole curve. The next step is to measure the length of the blouse. The length of the blouse is 24 inches. But this one, I measure 24 inches at the side and I measure 25 inches at the center because I want the side to go up a bit than the center. The next step is to connect the circle. For the neck, I will measure 3 inches for the neck width and 2 inches for the back neck depth. Then cut out the blouse. I'm going to slant the shoulder slope with 0.5 from the neck and I'll cut it out. Then I will remove one piece and cut out the front neck. For the front neck, I'm just going to extend the back neck that I've cut before by 1 inch. I want an extension of 1 inch. After extending it with 1 inch, I will cut it out. The sleeve is a basic sleeve. If you are having problem with how to cut basic sleeve, you can check my channel for a detailed tutorial on how to cut basic sleeve. The next step is to join the shoulder of the blouse. After joining the shoulder, I'm going to use bias to tape the neck, because this blouse is not going to have lining or zipper. I've joined the shoulder and taped the neck. The next step now is to join the sleeve to the blouse and sew the side. I'm going to join the sides. I will close the side. Then the last thing will be to hem the edge of the blouse. But before joining the sleeve to the blouse, I'm going to hem the sleeve. I'm going to hem it before joining it, because there is no part of this blouse that is going to have a lining. So if you look at the sleeve, it is fitting very well into the blouse. So our blouse is ready. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I really love you. I appreciate you all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.